Alright, so this mission is a fairly simple one. I'm going to leave San Diego and travel east and cross every single time zone between here and here. Alright, I'm going to make a long story short. I work entirely too much, and it's time for me to take a vacation. So that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Smart went crazy, truth went trendy. The story got lazy, so I rewrote the ending. Manipulated the entry, more user-friendly. Now a city full of pain pills and tattoos defend me. I waver from the dead to the half-dead. Gray space between fan base and the crackhead. Sunset sailboat, set course for hell. A cross and a hammer, but you'll have to get some nails. Take credit for anything embedded in the edit. As long as you...
That post-airplane cigarette. The best. Alright, so I just got off the plane in... Jesus, man. Just got off the plane in Toronto. So what the hell am I doing in Canada? Oh, I'm going to tell you. Just give me a minute. Alright, so this is Airbnb number 1. And it's always a good sign when it looks like the photo. Yeah, so here we are. Oh, shit. I'm tired. Alright, where were we? Okay, so the reason I'm in Toronto, the reason I'm in Canada is I'm here for a wedding. My older brother's getting married this weekend, and this is where his fiance is from, so figured I'd fly up here and hang out with them and check out this wedding. I'm also catering this wedding, so to put my cooking skills to use. Got a menu planned out. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm like super starving. Sort of a chain that makes poutine. Sort of a Canadian specialty. This place is 2 blocks away, and he's all like banging, banging, banging. I've actually never been to Canada before. This is my first time. Finally check out this strange and mysterious country to the north. Alright, back outside in the streets. I gotta go find this poutine spot. Alright, we're back. Did a little walk around the neighborhood. It's kind of a dodgy neighborhood, actually, to be honest. There's all sorts of sketchy people walking around, crackheads and shit. At least the hotel room is nice. I'm only staying here for one night, so. Alright, let's see what this poutine is all about. Oh, that looks magical. Oh yeah, that'll do. Soda. So yeah, it's almost midnight. This is pretty much eat and go to bed. Not really gonna do anything else here tonight. Got a big day tomorrow. Okay, good morning everyone. May 2nd, 2019. Yeah, I didn't get the best night of sleep, to be honest. These guys been throwing rocks and wood into the back of a truck outside here since like 7 o'clock in the morning, so. Ah, yes, that tastes like victory. Let's see what the hell's going on out here. Jesus, man. Thanks a lot, guys. I only booked this place for one night, so I gotta get out of here pretty soon. It's 10 o'clock right now. So I gotta kill some time this afternoon and just find something to do. Yeah, so I think first order of business here is to go out and find some breakfast. You know, every Canadian I've ever met, they have waxed lyrical about this place called Tim Hortons. So it's basically a place that has like coffee and donuts and sandwiches and stuff. But Canadians take this place very seriously. It's kind of like, it's almost like a religion for them, apparently. So I'm probably gonna have to go check that out here in a minute. I just looked at Google Maps to see if there was one nearby. Like, I wonder if there's a Tim Hortons nearby. And I shit you not, there is 9 of them in a 3-block radius. There's 2 on the same block over here. They're like right next door to each other. I kind of feel like the tourist who's visiting America for the first time and just goes straight to McDonald's. Just gonna leave my stuff down at the front desk, head out for a little bit here. I got some beautiful old buildings out here. It's kind of reminiscent of South Minneapolis in a way. So spring has still not sprung here. It's 2nd of May, but it's still looking a lot like late winter. So just pretty chilly, foggy, drizzling.
Next stop, Zolter Street.
Back to the Airbnb to collect my gear. All right, so there's been a slight fuck up. My mom and sister, who are on their way here today, are experiencing some flight delays, so it looks like they might not actually make it here until tomorrow. They're going to be stuck in Chicago overnight or possibly get here much later tonight. So, slight change of plan. Instead of going back to the airport, I'm going back to Union Station downtown, and I'm getting a train out of the city up north to a location that's close to where my brother's at, and then he's gonna come pick me up at the train station. So yeah, let's make some moves.
It's why we battle, it's why we travel. It's why the mascot thinks that I'm an asshole. We made the team without putting on a uniform. Smart went nuts and rode a unicorn through the storm. Smart went crazy, but where did you go? Smart went crazy, but where did you go? Smart went crazy, but where did you go? Smart went crazy, where did you go now? Smart went...
Alright, so I'm at the station here in East Bumblefuck, Ontario. Just waiting for my brother. Should be here shortly. Excuse me, you got any spare change? What's up? We meet again.
We are.
Throw my shit in the back.
Yeah, wherever.
Making a little video. Hope you don't mind being in it.
Nice camera.
Yeah, dude, it's the Hero 6.
Welcome to Northern Ontario.
Yeah, it's good to be
Country.
here.
Hang on. We'll be making a video.
Yeah, we're making a video.
So here's what they do. When they come up for the long weekend, you say, well, why don't we go up to Barrie then? Put back a 2-4 of blue and get jammed to the gills.
Spoken like a local. Yeah, so we just bought $350 worth of groceries.
American.
Yeah, like $450 Canadian. So we got the car loaded up with groceries here to prep and cater this wedding. So I'm stoked to get my hands on all these ingredients and start prepping all of it. See, I don't take relaxing vacations. I take like really exhausting vacations. You guys don't mind being in my video, do you? All right, so here's the kitchen. This is the mise en place list. It's time to punch the clock and get to work. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, let's get this handled. Alright, so we have a special guest with us in my video today. This is my mom. Come here, Mom. Yeah, she just flew up here yesterday from Arkansas. We're all here in Canada.
It's all about the wedding.
It's all about the wedding. Yeah, we're doing a really kick-ass little catering project here. So this is what working class folk do. We do DIY weddings where we do all the shit ourselves. Yeah, so we're getting deep into it here. See how these are going.
I screwed up the package. There's no scissors here. I can just use that. Pardon? The things fit in the shoebox.
Woo! Alright, let's take a little break. Yeah, so this is the house that they rented to have the wedding. It's in Orillia, which is in Ontario, north of about an hour and a half north of Toronto. So here we are. It's right on this beautiful lake. Let's go, let's check this lake out for a bit. Shit is epic. It's called Lake Simcoe. The water is like crystal clear. It's like a swimming pool. Alright, May 4th. This is game day. So tonight's the wedding. I got the timeline of events here. Ceremony's at 6. So I gotta put everything on freeze for a little bit so I can watch my brother get married. Dinner is at 7:40, so after the ceremony I got about an hour to pull it all together.
Still gonna be time.
All right, crunch time in the 4th quarter. Let's get this done. Hey, look at this guy, looking sharp. Hey, he's about to get married today.
Good evening.
What do you have to say about that?
First day of the rest of my life.
Yep, it's all downhill from here, brother.
Not great.
You look fantastic.
Thank you.
Alright, so here are the fruits of our labors. We have the citrus barbecue short rib with blue Stilton spring onion. We have prosciutto wrapped chicken parmigiano veloute. Over here we got baked salmon cakes, charred onion jalapeno salsa. Boom. Over here we got smoked Gouda and mac and cheese gratin. Last but not least, we got the roasted potatoes and spring vegetable medley. Alright, clocking out. My work here is done.
I'm going to give you a quick look into the child.
This is kind of a unique experience for me. I don't usually go through my own buffet line. So, see if it's any good. Alright. My work here is done. Success. Gonna head out to the lake here and just catch the last fading lights. Cerveza time. All right. Enjoy a nice little reflective moment here. Yeah, so wedding, beautiful, huge success. It's the first time I've ever catered one personally. But yeah, I was just really impressed overall with just the entire production. The two families coming together, everybody putting in a huge effort, all the logistics, the acoustics, the planning, the whole setup. Yeah, just you know, really impressive. This kind of thing working class people do, you know, they get shit done themselves. As opposed to like bougie ass rich people that just pay everyone to do it for them. And yeah, fuck that. This is how it's done. So yeah, I was really honored to be able to be a part of it and do my bit, the whole cooking end of it. So yeah. Tomorrow I'm heading out of here, continuing onward east to Montreal. Got a train at 11:30. Taking mom and sister to the airport right before that. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna chill here tonight. Have a frosty beverage and mingle with the party guests and all that shit. And heading off tomorrow morning, get my gear sorted out, and off we go. Continue the adventure. All right, let's get everyone to the airport. Let's get everybody home. All right, family, it's been real. This was an amazing time. Let's definitely do this again sometime. Safe travels, and love you all. Oh yeah, come here. Get in there.
Have fun in Montreal. I'll see you.
A group hug.
Have some Schwartzes.
Yeah, for sure. Good times.
Been there, did that, kick back with the wrong angel to fuck with. Carve my charm into your arms, duck around, unravel this tall ball of yarn. Snuck round back to disarm the alarm, from the plantation to the reservation to the